Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising smoothly and suddenly, your car jerks violently during gear shifts or refuses to shift at all. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0977 pops up. This error is linked to the pressure control solenoid C circuit high voltage, meaning your transmission is getting too much voltage, which can mess up gear shifts. In this video, I'll break down what P0977 means, where the sensors are located and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0977? DTC P0977 stands for Pressure Control, Solenoid C Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's Transmission Control Module, TCM, sends signals to the Pressure Control Solenoid C to regulate transmission fluid pressure. If the voltage is too high, the solenoid can malfunction, causing shifting problems or even transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0977. If your car has this trouble code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping or surging, vehicle stuck in limp mode, won't shift properly, check engine light or transmission, warning light, poor fuel efficiency sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0977, check these key components: pressure control solenoid C location, located inside the transmission valve body, accessible after removing the transmission pan. Function: controls fluid pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location: function: sends voltage signals to control the pressure solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location: mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function: monitors fluid pressure levels and reports to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location: runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals for pressure regulation. What causes P0977? Here are the most common reasons for this issue. 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid C can cause excess voltage in the circuit. 2. Shorted or damaged wiring. Exposed or corroded wires can lead to high voltage readings. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, may send incorrect voltage signals. 4. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid can cause solenoid blockage and erratic operation. 5. Bad electrical ground. Poor grounding can create excessive voltage in the circuit. How to fix P0977. Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded or broken wires in the solenoid circuit. Repair or replace damaged connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. C. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If resistance is too high, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Measure the voltage output from the TCM to the solenoid. If voltage is too high, a software update or replacement may be needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the P0977 code with an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0977, it means the pressure control solenoid C circuit is receiving too much voltage, leading to harsh shifting and potential transmission failure. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0821 up and down shift switch, circuit low, P0822, gear lever position circuit low. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.